Right, today we're going to see if 3 Briggs & Strattons will fire up. I've arranged them here in the time they sat. So we got the longer sitting rower to the shorter sitting. These two were both started up one after the other a couple of weeks ago, so but the Murray here hasn't been started up in a couple of months since when I done the winter start of my mowing equipment was the last time that one was running. So we're going to try to start this one up first. I think they've all got petrol. Well, there you go, the old 92 Briggs & Stratton fired up. First pull, but then it dies. It does that when it's been sitting for a while. So now let's try and start the choker mag. See if it'll start off as good. Probably won't. I'm not going to do the day's farm trick. I'm just going to try and start it. So let's see what's going on. Guessing it's going to be 3 pulls, it normally is. Well, here the old Tractor-Matic started at exactly 3 pulls. That's how many pulls it takes to always start it without the day's farm trick. So let's line the 3 mower up. This one hasn't been running so great at the moment. I think the spark plug's going a bit dodgy. It misses quite a bit sometimes, so it could be a spark plug. there you go. They all started. This one seems to be having a problem picking up from idle to revving. It seems to want to stall, but I don't know. I'll do a spark plug swap, see if that helps. But all three of them ran, so that was pretty good. My 68 over there isn't running. It just sort of fires up and then runs for about 3 seconds, and then the carburetor floods it. So I'm trying to get a new carburetor for it, but I can't see anybody on eBay, and I'm waiting for a YouTuber to get back to me about some parts that he had, so I'll see if he's got one. But yeah, there you go. They all started up.